Aloha guys, Hawaii's only. We took scrapped mahi bones and then we took eggs. This is not scraps, this is one of my favorite. We did a new recipe. We got the Oboi Nioi sauce with honey. And honey, shout out to these honey guys. Valkele honey, ohia lehua blossom. Yeah, good stuff. But we got our, I'll walk you through how we did the marinade and the sauce and what we did, the steps and the techniques we used to cook the ahi eggs. We're gonna check if we get fish eggs because the fish egg is one of my favorite things to eat. Yes, gold. I love it. We win. So as you can see, we have the plate here of the mahi fish eggs. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our marinade, which is gonna be Oboi Nioi sauce and this honey, Valkele honey from the Big Island. And then we're just gonna take some chopped garlic, some grated ginger, sesame seeds, and green onion. And then we're gonna mix that together with the honey and the Oboi Nioi sauce. To do the first part, we take our sauce, which is all mixed up. Notice I only have the sesame seeds, the garlic ginger, the Oboi Nioi, and the honey. We're gonna put this into a Ziploc bag with the fish eggs, and the reason why is because we're gonna actually boil it. This is optional. I do it because I don't like the eggs to go straight on the grill because I don't want the casing to split open. So you can see here, I have it in a Ziploc kind of marinating and boiling in some water. Once the skin and the eggs cook a little bit, it tightens up, and then I remove that from the bag and put it straight onto the grill. And then your grill, you don't want it to be a super high heat. You kind of want it to be like a medium heat so that it doesn't split the casing of the eggs, which it's fine if it does, but it just for presentation purposes. And then here we're just basting the eggs and flipping it every so often. And basting again, and we're gonna do this for about 20 minutes or so. Oh, before we do it completely for 20 minutes, we're actually gonna cut it, and then we're gonna make like these medallions, yeah. And then we're gonna baste it with the sauce, and then throw this straight onto the grill. To make the basting sauce, it's 2 parts of honey, 1 part of Oboi Nioi, 2 garlic cloves, a couple green onion sprigs, and I don't know, about a tablespoon of ginger. So if you don't have Oboi Nioi sauce, it's okay. You can just make a regular teriyaki sauce. You can look in my link above or below to find out how to make a real basic teriyaki sauce in one of my other videos. I'll also put a link to the Oboi Nioi sauce so that you can purchase it from my friend straight from him. But yeah, we're just finishing plating, garnishing with some green onions and sesame seeds, and we're gonna get to eating. We're gonna go and dig in. Oh, but first, I got the silver one today for it. 80-20. Itadakimasu. Moscow. Whoo! That's good. Try these mahi eggs. So this is the we're basting it and grilling it over the kiawe wood. We got a little bit more of the nioi sauce. So you know what? Let me try one with no sauce. Oh man, mahi eggs is so good. It's sweet and tangy. It's got the char, it's got the smoke. It's delicious. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to tell you guys. Let me get some of this. Mahi bone with just a little bit of Nioi sauce. Guys, it's a winner. I'll see you guys next week Saturday. I'm gonna finish this food. Aloha.